I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much sa lahat po ng nag-send na kanilang messages, ng kanilang greetings, wishes, and prayers sa ating YT World at sa mga iba't ibang platform ng social media. Thank you so much po sa mga bumate dyan. Hindi ko na po kayo maisa-isa sa ating families and friends. Hindi ko na po kayo maisa-isa dahil sa dami po ninyo. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much po sa inyong pagbate. At maraming pong salamat at sobrang na-appreciate ko po yung mga pagbate ninyo at yung wishes na rin po ninyo. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. At pasensya na po, medyo mahaba-habang ating video for today. Siguro abot ng 14 minutes. Thank you po and pasensya na po. Thank you Papa God, Papa Jesus for another year of my life. And thank you po din sa aking nanay in heaven dahil po sa kanya, sinilang niya ako, nandito ako ngayon at naging kaibigan ninyo dito sa YT World at sa mga iba't ibang platform ng social media. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo at sa mga nagsend ng kanilang mga messages. Maraming pong salamat and thank you po sa inyong mga suporta.
Hi Antot! Happy birthday ading ko! May God grant you all the best thing in life. Love, peace, health, joy, and prosperity. Laban lang sa hamon ng buhay. Kaya mo yan. Ikaw pa. Diba? Love you, Deng! Happy birthday ulit!
Yeah. Happy birthday, God! And thank you so much for everything. And for being my friend here in Singapore. Thank you so much, God. I wish all the best for you. And happy birthday. Thank you and love you.
Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, Lady Pandakex. Nanay to ha. Alam ko malapit na birthday mo. Happy birthday. Tinuturing kitang anak. Anak Lady Pandakex. Binabati kita ng maligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday. At sana maging masaya ka sa oras ng iyong kaarawan. Enjoy lang ang life. Kasi ang buhay ay maiksi lang. Kaya nga, Lady, inaasahan ko na hindi ka magbabago. Nagsiumpisa ka sa baba. Sana pagdating ng araw ay wag ka nga makakalimot na lumingon sa ibaba. Kaya Lady, ang wish ko sa iyo, mag-asawa ka na para magkaroon ka na ng love life, para magkaroon ka na ng kasama sa buhay. Ayun, kaya nga, Lady, sana maging masaya ka sa oras ng iyong kaarawan. Simula nung nakilala kita, ganyan ka na, madaldal, katulad ka ni Latifa. Ang daldal mo, kaya nga, salamat at isa ako sa tinuring mong nanay. At salamat din at nandiyan ka sa oras ng na kailangan ko rin ng kausap. Nandito rin ako pag kailangan mo ng kausap. Kaya, ang masasabi ko lang, happy birthday at sana mag-birthday ka hanggang gusto mo. God bless you at alam ko nga susubaybayan ka ng Panginoong Jesus at hindi ka niya papabayaan. Kaya laban lang tayo sa YT. Kaya mag-iingat ka palagi. God be with you always and I pray na maging maganda ang future mo someday. And most of all, magkaroon ka na ng sarili mong pamilya na mamahalin at magiging kasama habang buhay. Kaya nga, Lady, happy birthday and last, Merry Christmas! Bye-bye! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa'yo! Love you! God bless you! Bye-bye!
Ganda! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best in life. Alam mo na yung wish ko sa'yo, sana magka-jowa ka na. Tsaka iwasan mo na yung pagiging, alam mo na, we love you! Happy birthday, Mama! Chuk-chuk!
Hello, it's Darren Dobson, and this is a birthday message for Lady P. Happy birthday to you. Hope you have a beautiful day. All the best on your special day. All the best for the next year. May you get many gifts and many blessings. And so I just want to wish you a short, happy birthday. All the best. God bless. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.
birthday is coming up pretty soon. I hope you have many more birthdays to come. Prosperous and abundance may fall on you your whole life. So, yay! Happy birthday and love you. Bye.
Hello, Lady Panda. This is Ken and Joey from Pinoy US Adventure. And we would like to wish you
a very happy birthday. Anak, I know, isa ka sa the best sa YouTube sa ano natin. Sa I hope you won't change ha. Kasi you see, tingnan mo, wala kaming we do not have any makeup, we are dressed home. I forgot about it, but I tell you, maintain to be good, and we wish you all the best. And of course, God bless. I love you so much, darling ha. Love, love.
Ay ganda bala? God, happy birthday! And enjoy your day. And I hope all the best for you. And happy birthday. Thanks for everything. Hi, Dia. Happy birthday. And enjoy your day. And I wish all the best for you.
Okay. Hi, Ganda. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana magka-jowa ka na. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sis. Kakantahan kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sis Jessie Ann. Ang wish ko sa'yo, mag-asawa ka na. Para magka-baby ka na din. Wish you all the best, sis. Ingat ka palagi. I love you, sis. God bless you always.
Hello, happy birthday. Wishing you a deep, filled with happiness and a year filled with joy. Happy birthday. Sending you a smile for every moment of your special day. Have a wonderful time and a very, very, very happy birthday. Hope your special day brings you all that your heart desires. God bless. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. We love you. Enjoy your special day. We love you. Happy birthday to you.
Jessie Ann, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Good health, always, long life. Wala.
Happy birthday, Aning! Oh, ano, baba na tayo. Bili tayo ng bihon. I wish you good luck, good health, and more blessings to come. And sana maghanap ka na ng boyfriend, diba? Mas masarap may ka-partner sa puso. Okay, love you. Ingat. Tama na. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sana mabusog niyo kami.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. So, nais ko munang batiin ng happy and blessed birthday, Lady Panda Cakes. Si Lady parang santan na bonsai. Parang yung nandito sa aking likod. Maganda, katulad ng kanyang puso. susilak ang kanyang puso. Pero cascade, siguro sa kanyang pag-ibig na cascade din. So nagpapatawa lang. Habang tumatanda ang bonsai, lalong nagmamahal. Ayun, sana ganyan ka, Lady Pandakakix. Habang tumatanda, lalong nagmamahal. Lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang kami na mga kaibigan mo dito sa Whitey World. So enjoy your day, and wish ko sa'yo na sana lumago pa ang iyong channel at siyempre ang iyong kalusugan na hindi ka magkakasakit. Okay? So happy birthday and we love you. Cascade, Cascade Santan. Okay? Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
You a happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, say happy birthday. We're outside. Happy birthday.
Hello, my friend, Lady Pandakix. It's your birthday today. Wish you happy birthday. Long healthy life. Wish you all the best. And you have every day's premieres. Wonderful premieres. Thanks for being a good friend. Magandang gabi. Good evening. Happy birthday, my friend. December is a beautiful month. Happy to know you and happy to be your YouTube friend. It looks beautiful day today, but it's still cold. Tomorrow it's December month. Take care always, and happy birthday, my friend, Lady Pandakix. Stay safe and healthy always, and have a wonderful special day. Bye bye.
Hi and happy birthday. I wish you good health and happy everything. Mag-asawa ka na. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
What's up? Kumusta ho tayong lahat? For today's video, I just want to greet or extend my warmest greetings to Lady Pandakix. Happy birthday, lady! I hope that you are happy sa birth month mo. Sana maligaya ka sa karawang mong ito. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming kaarawan na i-celebrate sa buhay mo. And wala akong ibang masasabi kundi stay safe, stay cute, parang cute, stay humble, syempre stay pretty, sana marami pang lalaki ang dumating sa buhay mo habang ikaw ay nabubuhay. At higit sa lahat, panalangin ko sa ating pong lumikha na sana makatagpo ka na ng mamahalin mo para may karamay ka o kasama ka sa bawat birthday na i-celebrate mo. So mag-enjoy ka, magpakanton ka na ipa-LBC mo na lang yung ibang handa. Kahit yung mga tira-tira. Ha? So, have a blessed birthday, Lady Pandakex. Salamat at naging kaibigan kita. Kahit sa larangan lang ng social media. At sana magkikita tayo in person, ha? Kapag umuwi ka at mag-i-invite ka, pupunta ka, ha? Pero kung hindi ka mag-i-invite talaga, hindi tayo talaga magkikita. Anyway, happy birthday! Sana maligaya ka sa iyong kaarawan.
Happy birthday to you.